afternoon, this is Jackie Albright Pugh, and this is my Technology Proficiency Assignment for EDUC 630. For this assignment, I decided to explore a tool called Seesaw, and this is an interactive community of teachers and students where teachers can create lessons, share lessons with other teachers, and connect with their students. When I log into Seesaw, I'm taken to a page that looks like this, and if I go to my class, my dashboard appears in this manner. I'm the teacher of this class, and I assign my students underneath by giving them a special code where they can log in. Now, once I'm in here, I can create my own activities, or I can use activities that were created by others. For this assignment, I decided to create an activity from scratch. There was a lot of learning that occurred while I was creating this activity. This is an October book review that I assigned to the students, in which they were to select a book from the library and read it. They have to first fill out an informational template about the book. This was a bit challenging to upload the template, a learning process for me, because it had to be uploaded as a JPEG. So I had to do some work to learn how to convert my Google Doc to a JPEG. But once it was up and running, the students are able to type right over it. After they fill in their template, then I gave them instructions to create a video, to create a poster and take a picture of it, to write a note, to create a doc that they upload, or to create a Google page and link it, and then eventually to share it with me by clicking on this little button right here. I enjoy this because it gives the students a lot of options for a final product. It allows for creativity and for differentiation of skills. Some things that I learned while doing it, I noticed that many of the other users of Seesaw were inserting these icons, which I thought were going to be very helpful because they match the student screen, and I couldn't figure out how they were getting those icons. So I did a little exploring and found a shortcut sheet with all of the commands that you type in when you create your own activities from scratch, and I was able to insert those into my activity as well. When the students go to respond, they're able to click on this journal icon right there. Their dashboard looks very similar to mine, and it pulls up icons that look just like this that they're able to easily click on to turn in their final product. The other really cool feature that I found here in Seesaw was the ability to search and assign other users' activities. So if you were to go in to the activity library and go under the community, and for example, I searched activities on Genius Hour to see what other users had already created. And I found lots of already made activities by other people that were available for sharing. So I could take this teacher's activity on the Genius Hour and I could assign it to my students, and it would show up in my activities for my students. So there are many, many, many resources here that are already done that you could just pick what works within the scope of your curriculum to assign your students. So overall, I thought this was an excellent resource. I think it might be a very powerful learning tool for children to have options and choices, independence, and it gives the teacher a really strong window into student learning and understanding. Thank you, and have a great day.